Hey guys, so here I am inside of my laptop, and so what I want to show you is some of the tools that I'm using for basically reverse engineering my competition, emulating them in some way if needed, and basically learning as much as possible because you can just go and test a lot of things yourself, or you can just learn from your competition, learn from the most successful of your competition, and emulate them and achieve faster results and better results. So here's one of the tools that I'm using. It's called Add Espresso. So if you just go to Add Espresso and you click like add examples Espresso, you'll find this website. So you can see here there are a lot of insights on different industries, on different ads. So you can see here they have a library on different brands and different kind of like industries. So let's say you're in the luxury industry, you are selling some products that are luxury, right? Let's see what you can find in here. So you can see here like watches. It's not necessarily, as you can see here, for example, this ad in here has 3,000 likes. It's not necessarily that they show you the most successful ads. But they'll give you some ideas at least, so you can just get inspired and learn something. And so other let's see, like computer and electronics. Let's see, so they have 58 examples. It's not necessarily, as I said, it's not necessarily the best ads. It's not necessarily the most successful, because in some ads it's just like one like. It's not something significant, but at least to give you some ideas on on creatives that you can use. And some ads you'll find they're more or less successful, like this one, 244 likes, some little bit of engagement and stuff like that. So Add Espresso is completely free. You can just go to Add Espresso, add examples, and you'll find this tool. It's amazing. It's free. All you need to do, you'll have some limitation here, so you'll need to put your email address in here, and it will give you the access. So another tool that I'm using, which is amazing, it's called Swipeworthy, swiped.co. So what you can do in this with this tool is also find out all kind of ads. It's not only Facebook ads, but also direct response ads that have worked in the past for different for different people. So for example, we can find that here from Tai Lopez. So here's an ad, like long copy ad. And so you can see here like some of the examples, and let's do some, as you can see here, checkout page compilation, direct mail letter. You can see different kind of like ads from different people that have been that's sending stuff to this guy who's compiling them and putting them together out there for you to learn from them. So you can see here some different ideas, not just for Facebook ads, but also for confirmation page, long running Facebook ads, hidden process Facebook ads, product partnership strategy, different ways to advertise, different ways to implement better marketing within your product. So just to give you more ideas about how you can market your product, how you can improve different stages of your funnel, and just overall be a better advertiser. And so guys, the third tool that I want to show you today is called Ad Sector. So Ad Sector is my preference right now, at least for now, for identifying, for doing the competitive research and identifying what's working right now in terms of Facebook ads for different industries. So for example, let's say you're in Shopify, you're selling some products on Shopify. It has amazing filter where you can just find specifically ads for Shopify that are doing well. So I'll show you here right now. So you can see here Shopify. Let's see what it will show us. So as you can see, ad posts created between like just in last 30 days, and you can see different ads. And so what you can do is you can sort them by number of likes, and it will give you the some ideas of what those ads look like, and what the ad copy and all of those things. So you can get ideas of, okay, so this ad is doing well, these products are doing well. So you get inspiration on type of products that are doing well, you get inspiration type of ads that are doing well, and you get inspiration on basically what's working right now in the marketplace. So you can see a lot of closing here, and you can see here like a lot more ideas for you. And so not only that, but you can see here you can customize by advertiser. So let's see, you want to see the ads from, I don't know, zappos.com, let's say. So you would remove this filter, and you would that way you would see the ads from zappos.com. Let's see if it will find us something. Yeah, so as you can see, their ads are pretty simple, very simple, nothing fancy. So even some like e-commerce, like small brands, some small shops, they're doing better advertising than Zappos. Not to offend Zappos, but that's how it looks here, very simplistic. Because the brand awareness is there, and almost everyone knows their brand. So not only that, but you can see here, for example, like tracking system. You can see websites that are using, for instance, I don't know, they're using volume as their tracking system. So you can see, what companies are those. So let's see what companies are using, volume as their tracking system. And so all kinds of different filters can be applied here, like even affiliate networks. You can see like e-commerce platform, maybe Teespring. Maybe you want to see the best selling products on Teespring. Let's see what it will show us. It's amazing, guys. So it just will do so much of your like homework for you, like identifying what's working in the marketplace right now. This tool is quite expensive. It's like $200 something per month. But what's interesting, if you so you can basically try it. So you can see $249, and I don't know if they have any kind of like trial or anything, but basically you can try this tool. I guess they have some kind of like refund policy, but it's better if you just get this tool, because this tool will pay for itself a lot of times over. And guys, I have a special coupon code for you if you decide to buy this tool. This is amazing tool, and you'll save like $100 per month. So overall it's like $200 something per month. You'll pay only $100 something. And so guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. There should be a link somewhere. Also, I have some freebies for you, some good stuff for you. Just click below. You will see a lot of free stuff for you, so you can learn more about Facebook advertising. You can learn more about e-commerce. You can learn how to make money online, and you can basically build a scale profitable online business very fast. So guys, it's awesome. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel so I keep creating more of these value videos for you. And I'll see you next videos. Thank you.